Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've opened Google Slides and copied the YouTube video URL. Start immediately. First, select the target slide and create a visual anchor, an image, shape, or text box, because slides won't embed a playable YouTube inline without using the built-in insert video. Once done, click that anchor to prepare linking. You choose a clear thumbnail or descriptive text so viewers know what they'll open. Make sure to keep the original video URL handy for the next step. Now you create the actual link. Select your chosen anchor and press Insert Link, or use Ctrl+K. Paste the YouTube URL exactly as copied. This tells Slides to open the video externally rather than trying to embed it. Once pasted, press Apply and then right-click the anchor to confirm the link. You do this because Google Slides prioritizes external links for playback control and browser compatibility. After applying, click Present and test the link so you can confirm it opens in a new browser tab. Finish by presenting and clicking the link. This completes the process. If the video doesn't open, recheck the URL. Use YouTube's Share button to copy a clean link and replace the existing one. Make sure the video isn't restricted by privacy settings, logged in user limits, or domain blocks. You can troubleshoot by testing in an incognito window or another Google account. Once verified, save and notify collaborators about the link behavior so everyone knows it opens externally rather than playing in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.